Today we are building temporary fence around cornstalk pastures, 3 circles worth that we're going to lease from the neighbors for the bigger part of our herd to have something to eat here for about a month and a half, 2 months. So I just threw the GoPro up in a few places with time lapse so you guys can see what's going on. You know, I paid my dues when I was younger. I used to dig all the post holes by hand with post hole diggers and drive all the posts with a 5-pound sledge and all that stuff, and stretch the wire. But now that we got the old wire truck up and running that my grandpa built, it's like I think it's a 55 Chevy truck. It's got a hydraulic ram that will actually push the post in for us, which you will see. And it also puts out the wire at the same time loosely. So then we'll come back behind the truck, stretch up the wire a little bit, lift it up to the post, and use baling wire to tie it to the insulator, throw a little juice in it, and that'll hold the cattle in. And then once they're done eating here, we'll have to come back with this same truck and roll that wire up using the hydraulic motor and a spool, and pull all the posts by hand, load them up, and go to another location and do it all over again. So I might throw the drone up here pretty soon too to get some more footage of this just for fun. But enjoy what you see.